From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Travis Meyer.
All right, here's that picture again, coming out of Norman area, down on the South Oklahoma City side. This is amazing, with just the amount of snow that fell. It was a kind of a heavy, wet snow that came all at once. And so the kids, I mean, could you imagine? Of course, when I was in Nebraska, I played in snow all the time because it just like snows in July. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, that had to be just a cool time down there. All right, let's take a look. We have to get ready for winter because winter is here tomorrow. I hope you join us. Bob Mills Furniture from 10 to noon. We do have some winter weather kits we will be giving away. It starts at 10 a.m. That goes through noon. A meteorologist, some storm trackers. Also, Osage Sky News 6 will be there. We hope to see you there. Right now, we're seeing most of the snow moving out, but we have had multiple reports of snow across the south side from south of Tulsa. Jinx had a few snow flurries, and then a little bit heavier snow bands just moved right along I-40, continuing to move and around the Muskogee area. So it's been real interesting to see what's going on. This is quickly moving out, and it's squeezing out what little moisture there is available. But there's been enough that's like people are going, wow, what a difference. We were in the 70s yesterday, and this is some sleet and also some snow that's been going on down around where Sequoia has been located in Sequoia County. So appropriately named for the county. Way to go, Mr. Quinton. And also salute to you as a veteran. And we're talking about conditions across the region. Cold, 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 cold. All the way down now to the Gulf of Mexico. So this air mass continues to expand eastward. And it is pretty much kind of a miserable cold. And up to the north, we don't have bitter cold yet. That is yet to come over the course of the next couple of months. So get ready because it won't be that far away. With the clearing skies, temperatures are dropping quickly in the 20s to the west and northwest. Clouds are clearing out of central Osage County now to Creek County, down to Okfuskee, Hughes County. So the clouds, once the clouds go away, temperatures are going to drop off 4 to 5 degrees pretty quick. Snow is ending quickly across the area. So as that ends tonight, and then we're looking at still the winds continuing, we'll have wind chills in the teens to 20s, and that's where it is right now in Ponca City. That's moving around here. So this precipitation is moving out. As that moves out, the clear skies, the dry air, the breeze, cold in the morning, wind chills in again in teens. The afternoon will be in the 40s with sunshine and a wind of about 10 to 20. And then we're back in the 20s again on Sunday morning across the whole state. Sunday afternoon's better because the winds are lighter. We'll still have the sunshine, and it'll be just kind of a cold, chilly fall type of day. And then as we look on into Monday, this is what everybody's kind of like, is it going to snow? It's going to snow? Well, we're setting it up that it's going to. Temperatures will be around freezing in the morning. Precipitation will be breaking out in the panhandle. This will develop and move east, and we're actually going to have snow bands that could be moderate and occasionally heavy. Now, the soil temperature is warm. The air temperature should stay in the 30s, so it's not like going to last forever, but it should be a heavy, wet, sticky type of snow that will fall, and it's a winter mix if you're south. And I mean, this is amazing. This is all of it. This is a sudden change if you stop and think about it, but you better be ready. It's happening. We don't think there's going to be massive road problems or anything like that, but if it snows heavy enough, it would snow faster than it could melt. Therefore, there could be some slick spots, especially on bridges and overpasses. Yes, we're starting to say that already. So winter mix is likely on Monday. We'll refine that as we go through the time period. 1 to 3 inches on grassy, elevated surfaces seem to be the best bet right now. It rebounds to Tuesday into the 40s. Not too bad. Amounts of rainfall a little bit heavier, around a ½ inch to inch around Tulsa, maybe an inch further south. So Monday into Tuesday, we're pretty sure that it is going to be precipitating, so don't be surprised. And what about temperatures? It's going to be cold, 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 and then it starts to get a little bit better. But in the meantime, tonight, we're talking about temperatures that are hanging at 39 degrees with a wind chill of 32. North winds are at 10 miles per hour. And as we look at tomorrow morning, we'll be at 26 very cold degrees. Now, remember, Thanksgiving is going to get better, but in the meantime, it is cold. Okay, the whole day is cold. So big coats all day long probably won't hurt you at all. You see the precipitation there on Sunday, or I should say on Monday into Tuesday. And then as well, look how cold it gets next Saturday. We are turning Christmas lights on in Jinx, which just happens to be probably one of the warmest days, which isn't saying a whole lot. And then Thanksgiving, as we mentioned, should be a warming trend. But until then, brrr. Be ready.